Hello guys! Today, I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make an aircraft livery. This tutorial is intended for mobile, not PC. You may still follow along if you're mobile, but it'll just be harder to follow along. This tutorial is also meant for a game in Roblox called Air Crash Studio, made by CA_ZR, a really cool guy. He has a channel named CA_ZR, his username. You should subscribe to him, he makes really good content. When you load into the game, you may choose any map. It doesn't matter which one you choose, you should still be able to do this tutorial. But I will decide to pick cruising. You don't have to choose this. You may decide to move away from the spawn point if you want, but you don't have to. You may also pick whichever aircraft you want. It shouldn't affect your performance in this tutorial. I will decide to pick the 737-200. Once again, you don't have to pick the aircraft I choose. First off, making the livery. You want to select the aircraft itself. Look at this. You also move the thrust above the aircraft. To paint the aircraft, select the aircraft in the corner. Press the paint bucket tool at the right. You can now paint the aircraft any color or any livery. I will paint the United Airlines Saul Bass livery, but you don't have to. Montage of painting it. Now, if your aircraft has shiny engines, this will apply to you. If it doesn't, you can skip this part. Now, click the gear icon below the paint bucket to the right. Then, look at the left. See the material text. Click that, and you'll see an entire catalog of textures. If you want shiny engines, click glass or metal. Metal doesn't look shiny enough, so picking glass is suggested. And now, to add text, go to the spawner, click props, and select text. Type your airline name. Press false for visible and stroke. In order to make it look like it's attached to the plane, use the angle button, and for precise measurements, put 0.1 on increment. To put it in the other side, go to the angle button and put increment to 90 and put it on the other side. Now, for the aircraft logo, you're gonna need to select the aircraft again in the bottom left corner. Pick a part of the aircraft, any will probably do, copy it, and then move it to the place where the logo is. Angle it to your needs, and then go on, making your logo. Once you're done, press the weld button on the right, and then press weld to last, and you're done. And once you're done, you can make crashes.